Mango Habanero Chicken Wings is a spicy something for you and your guests. You can serve it as a snack, as an appetizer, or as a side dish to a main meal. Mango Atarodo Chicken Wings. You only need a few ingredients for this. I like using drumettes, the fat part of chicken wing. I have 14 of them in there. You need ripe mango. You can make the pineapple version, pineapple habanero chicken wings, by replacing the mango with pineapple. Onion powder, salt, black pepper, thyme, ketchup, seasoning cubes, and habanero pepper. This is the Nigerian yellow pepper. If you don't have yellow pepper, you can use Scotch bonnet pepper. Blend the spices, seasoning, and herbs with a spice grinder. Pour that into the chicken and mix very well. Cover and put in the fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour. While that is chilling, we prepare the mango habanero sauce. Deseed and chop the habanero pepper. This is the quantity of mango I will be using. Chop it all up. When done, blend both with an immersion blender or any other kitchen appliance that can blend this without adding water. When smooth, add a little ketchup, and a little salt to enhance the flavor. After 1 hour of being in the fridge, place the wings in an oven tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Rub some mango habanero sauce on it. Put it back in the oven. After 5 minutes, you can bring it out and rub some more and bake for another 5 minutes. So a total of 40 minutes baking time. Serve with the mango habanero sauce and a chilled drink. That's it! Yum, yum, yum!